Hey grade 5 Ramadan Kalim, and welcome to your video lesson for today. I hope you're having a great Ramadan. I hope you're enjoying your fasting. Today we're doing grammar for Unit 6 Week 2. You can go ahead and grab your grammar books to follow along with me. Today we're going to pages 131 and 132. Today we're going to be learning about adverbs that compare. Alright, so let's go have some fun. Adverbs can be used to compare two or more actions. Alright, now we learned about comparing adjectives before. Today we're going to be learning about comparing adverbs. Now they're used the same way. We add er or est to most of the adverbs to compare the actions. Or we use more and most with some of the long adverbs. Yeah, just like adjectives. So just like the way we say more exciting and not excitinger for adjectives, we do the same for adverbs. Alright, so let's head over to the book and we're gonna see some examples of that inshallah. Alright, so an adverb can compare two or more actions like we said. Look at number one. So we're going to read each sentence and write the correct comparative form of the adverb in the parentheses on the line provided. So number one, I can run than my brother. I can run faster than my brother. So you can say I am faster than my brother. If you're comparing you and your brother, you use the adjective fast. But here you're comparing the way you run, you're comparing the action, so faster. Our father runs quickly of all. Here do we say quickliest? No, we say our father runs most quickly of all. Alright, so our father runs most quickly of all. He trains than my brother does. He trains more often. He trains more often than my brother does. Right? So we don't say oftener. He enjoys running fully than biking. He enjoys running more fully. He enjoys running more fully than biking. Even so, he practices swimming seriously of all. More seriously or most? Very good. Most seriously of all, because we're comparing now more than two. And number four, comparing between running and biking, just two. Here, swimming, we're comparing more than two of all the sports. I prefer team sports than other sports, so I prefer team sports more strongly. I prefer team sports more strongly than other sports. I can throw accurately than our team's other pitcher. More accurately than the other pitcher. In the entire league, she pitches. Now we're not comparing just two. And of all of the pitchers in the league, she pitches most wildly of all. Our final game will be here soon than we expect. So we expect it to be here, but it will be here sooner than we expected. The audience will cheer loudly of all during our final inning. So they will cheer most loudly or loudliest. Alright, so the audience will cheer most loudly of all during our final inning. During the final inning of the baseball game, the audience will cheer the most loudly. Alright, so on page 132, right, it's more of the same lesson. Now, what did we notice in the first page? What we could notice is that the adverbs that end in ly, we use most or more. So we use more or most for adverbs that end in ly or long adverbs. The sun shone more brightly today than it did yesterday. We're comparing the sunshine. We're comparing how the sun shone between the 2 days. The three of us raced to see who could pack. Three of us, so most rapidly. So the three of us raced to see who could pack most rapidly for our trip. I should have prepared than I did. I should have prepared more carefully than I did. All right. Sometimes you guys think like this after your exam, right? Sometimes after you see the exam, you say, yeah, I should have prepared more carefully. My bag was of all the bags, my bag was the most poorly packed. Mom spoke to me sternly than usual. So she usually speaks to me sternly, but this time she spoke to me more sternly than usual. We might arrive late than expected to the airport. We might arrive later than we expect to the airport. Luckily, the traffic was moving more smoothly than usual. We're comparing today to usually. In fact, we checked in at the gate early of all. We checked in at the gate earliest of all. Why did we do? Why did we say earliest here and not uh, most early? Because early ly is part of the word. Ly is not. We didn't add ly because it's an adverb. Ly is part of the word, so we say earliest. We are usually the late passengers in every flight. We are usually the most commonly late passengers because we're comparing all of the passengers, so we're most commonly late. That seems to be the case often than not. We're comparing usually and not, so more often than not. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. I hope you understood the lesson, and I hope you enjoyed all of the other lessons that we had over the last few weeks. I hope you guys have a great summer. I hope you have a great Ramadan and you spend a lot of time with your family. I know this Ramadan is different from other Ramadans we've had, and this summer, inshallah, is also going to be different. But inshallah, this sickness will go away soon, and we can all have a great summer outside, inshallah. So, and after the summer, inshallah, after we have our summer break, we will see you guys back in sixth grade, inshallah. Bye.